Hey guys, it's Jacqueline, and today I'll be doing a skit, and it is called My Strange Day. So this will be a quite interesting skit. Well, anyway, let's get started. Yahoo! What the? Why am I just on my mattress? What the what? How am I just on my mattress? Like, that's really weird. Like, I'm not... Where's my bed? Okay, this day has been really strange so far. It just started. Hopefully this stuff doesn't happen to me the whole day, like throughout the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go eat breakfast. This has been a really strange morning. I'm just gonna pour cereal. And milk. What the? Oh no, look at this. I made a big mess. How did that happen? That's so weird. I was just pouring the milk, and then suddenly my hand took like this, since for some reason I was not controlling it, and it's just... Oh, okay, I'll just not have cereal. Okay guys, this is a very strange day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search how to overcome a strange day on Google. So let's do how to overcome a strange day. Okay. Here it is. Okay, it says, this is how you overcome a strange day. First, you see what your next strange thing is. Then, you repeat the action you did for the strange thing did. Basically, guys, if you're confused about that, basically, like if you walk in a room and you get cereal and you pour it and put milk in it, and then the milk spilled like it happened to me, then you repeat the action and reverse and go back to where you were, then walk in and do it again, and I guess it overcomes it. Huh. I guess I'll try it. Worth a shot. Yeah. I'll just find out what my next strange thing is. So what I have to do is do the next thing I'm about to do, which I'm about to turn on my TV and watch TV for a little bit. So I'll repeat the action and see if it works. Yeah, it's a perfect idea. Okay, let's just turn my... Okay. Yeah! Whoa! Guys, the channels like flipped like rapidly. It was like zzz, flipping through channels. Whoa. I think my channel is glitched. Okay, let's redo that. Turn off. And I turn back on. I'm repeating what happened, and hopefully it does something else. Okay, here it goes, come on. So let's really rapidly. Okay, so I guess what I do after that is I do another thing I'm about to do after this, which is basically reading a book. I'll just read a book and I'll see if it helped or affected. So, read a book. Guys, something happened. Oh. Okay guys, so what I need to do is, first of all, this book is not... Okay guys, so I have no idea how I'm gonna overcome this. It just keeps happening. Like, it is not stopping. It's annoying. Ugh. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go downstairs and watch TV. Again, I love watching TV, obviously. So I'm gonna go downstairs and watch TV, and hopefully nothing happens. So yeah, hopefully nothing happens, and yeah. So that failed. I guess Google. It's a good source sometimes, and maybe some not. But yeah, that one was not a good source for that. So I'm going to go down there and I'm going to see if anything happens, which Google did not work this time, which I'm really mad. So I'm just going to pleasantly go. Who are you? Weird looking thing, Harry Potter. Okay, you do not look like Harry Potter. You look like an ugly thing. Well, I basically am. I'm gonna follow you around now. Follow me everywhere. No! He's right behind me. Tail! Why is this happening? It's probably a really good hiding spot. Oh, what is that thing? It's like, I don't know. Ugh. Okay, so yeah, I'll just sit here for a while. Ow! Something just did this to my arm. Oh my god, okay. Don't tell me. Hey! What's up? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope it wasn't like too boring or any of that, because I try my best to, with my tools and so anyway, here's the shadow winner from last video. Hi guys. Okay, if you want to post up a shout out in next time's video, comment down below what's the most strangest thing that's ever happened to you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Strange!